Most people think making money with AI means building an app, learning to code, or spending months setting something up. That's not the reality. Right now, the fastest way beginners are making money with AI is by using it to replace simple tasks that businesses already pay for, and doing it faster, cheaper, and more consistently. In this video, I'm going to show you one practical AI workflow you can use to turn AI into a paid service, even if you have no experience and no audience. Here's the idea. Businesses don't need more AI tools. They need outcomes. They want more leads, more content, more engagement, or less time wasted on repetitive work. That's where AI becomes powerful. Instead of selling AI itself, you use AI behind the scenes to deliver something useful. One of the easiest examples is short-form content creation. Right now, businesses know they should be posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But most of them don't have the time, skills, or systems to do it consistently. So they don't. Your role is simple. You take long-form content, podcasts, YouTube videos, Zoom calls, webinars, and turn it into short, high-engagement clips. AI does most of the work. You use AI tools to identify the best moments, cut the clips, add captions, format them for different platforms. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. You're not selling video editing. You're selling visibility and consistency. That's what businesses care about. And because this solves a real problem, people are already paying for it. The next step is positioning. You don't need a website. You don't need a logo. You don't need to call yourself an agency. You just need a clear sentence. Something like, I help businesses turn long videos into viral short-form content using AI. That's it. Simple beats, impressive. Now comes the part most people avoid: outreach. You don't wait for clients to find you. You go to where the businesses already are. YouTube channels, podcasters, coaches, founders. Anyone posting long videos with no short clips. You send one simple message, you point out a missed opportunity, you offer to create one sample clip. No pressure, no pitch. When they see results, the conversation changes. That's how beginners get clients. Once you land one client, everything becomes easier. You refine the process. You raise prices. You add monthly retainers. You let AI handle more of the workload. You're no longer trading time for money. You're managing a system. This is how AI becomes a real income tool. Not hype, not theory, not a trend. And the best part is, this same framework works for many services: content creation, email writing, customer support, lead generation, automation. AI is just the engine. You're the operator. If you want me to break down the exact tools, pricing, and outreach messages I'd use for this, let me know in the comments. And if you want more beginner-friendly AI systems that actually work, subscribe to the channel. New videos every week showing how to turn AI into income without the fluff.